It's me. Hi, I'm the problem Daisy. China is so big. If you really want to import from China and find a direct factory, make sure you visit the right city. Looking for signs, visit Guangzhou in Guangdong province. This is LCSIGN, a sign factory with over 30 years experiences. Today, let me introduce something about us. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get more helpful news for you. Let's go! Up to now, we have nearly 300 workers with the factory area of 1 million square meters. 300 sets of different signs will be produced monthly with CE, ULs, and other certification. Shipping to our customers all around the world, such as US, UK, Germany, and so on. Maybe some of you are curious about coming to our factory for inspection. If you need, we will provide necessary support and assistance. Then it's about our products. We make LED sign, new sign, and light bulbs. Most signs are customized, so the price is different. Price depends on the design and the weight, but if permitted, we provide some discount. Our product materials, including lights, wires, and power supplies, are of the best quality and have relevant certificates like CE, UL, so you don't need to worry about this. The last is about our sales service. If you want to make a sign but without any ideas, our sales team will recommend diverse styles we already made according to the scene you will place the sign. You just need to choose what you like because we have served so many customers. Styles, we can create a special and amazing. Believe we can do signs you want and you don't see or imagine before. Now, I think you already have a basic understanding of LCSIGN. What we insist all the time these years is craftsmanship. And no matter when, we pursue quality first and put customers at the first place. So if you are looking for signs, choose us. So now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that follow button right now. Comment down below about any your idea. And this is Daisy from LCSIGN. See you next time.